why do so many brands increase ad spend, but profit and market share don't grow?
I'm going to be honest with you. Most of the time, what is going to happen, people are going to outsource the most strategic part, either to tools, either to people who don't have the same amount of skill that they would need in order to create strategy. Example, if someone is going to come and they are going to say, hey, I'm going to increase your ad spend and these are the results and I'm guaranteeing you, I would say run. Just because every campaign is a hypothesis, right? So what we're looking for, we are looking for both false positives and we're looking for real data that actually is proving us one direction. Does the hypothesis work or not? In this scenario, because we're talking about scaling an account, by scaling, what we mean, either we are going to increase the profit margin per product, so tacos is going to go down without ad spend going up. Either we're going to increase our ad spend, and then based on that rules, if we are going to successfully gain additional market share. When it comes to scaling, these are the two things that you would be thinking. Now back to your question, when it comes down to ad spend and profit margin, like profit, it's not really growing proportionally. Most of the time, it's because they're missing strategic input. And for the strategic input, Amazon PPC is just one lever. What we need inventory, and what we need creatives. If those are not set in place, usually what we're going to end up, especially for smaller brands, there's a reason why a business is small. It's because you as an owner are thinking small and you cannot grow faster. Big businesses are not thinking like small businesses. So the way how I'm seeing it, it's more about you as a business owner understand first, you need the skills for distinction. Even this topic, like even you asking this question is already knowledge. So once that you got knowledge, are you going to apply it? Are you going to reject it? And then the second thing, understanding really when it comes down to why am I not making money? Being humble of if ads is only the one part, understanding that also on my side, I have to be good either at inventory management, either understanding that my creatives need creative output, either understanding that my advertising needs to grow in order for me to get market share. I think these three are the top things that right now I'm thinking. Besides the fact that you also have to be a really good operator, which again, most business owners are really passionate about. I love it and I invested time in it. Well, if we know something or if we have proof for something, that's not how it works.